Quick list for Shopify tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can have an app to create a pick list for you to organize the orders of yours, of course, by category, and also group them together and export all sort of information that you have set up. This is going to help you create a sort of organization into your store without the help of any person. So the process is very easy. So we are going to head over our Shopify store. Here we are going to need the access to the admin dashboard, of course. Select the store, then you're going to click on the search bar. Then we are going to type in here one of my favorite apps that I use usually, which is going to be Pickify. Pickify, just like that. So you are going to type it in here. Then you are going to click on search in App Store or Shopify App Store. Once you have here, as you can see, we have this best match, which is going to have a 5 stars reviews, and it is built for Shopify with this patch. So we are going to click on it. As you can see, it is going to simplify our fulfillment, organize everything, and also help us to organize or generate the summary reports to export them as CVS, PDF, or Excel. So I'm going to click on install. This app is not going to be here 100% free, but it is going to have a free trial. So you can go ahead and have it right there to install, and then you are going to try it. I'm going to click on install. Then you are going to set up this. We have lots of apps that we can use, but I'm going to let you see this one. At the end of the video, I'm going to see some alternatives for you if you want to have some free apps. So as you can see here, we have the Pickify pick list. So we are going to click on next, and then we are going to click on next, and then we are going to create our pick list. So it will take you right there to the orders for all the locations. You can go ahead and see your orders. You can select the order, and then you are going to here click on the 3 dots. From here are going to scroll down until you see apps. So you are going to create a pick list from it, just like that. And then you are going to here create. You have selected one order. So I'm going to click on create, and this is the pick list. So you can go ahead and get a shareable link or export it, as you can see. So you can go ahead and see the quantity of the product, the variant of it, for example, and then you are going to mark it as picked. For example, whenever you have set up the process of this fulfillment of the order. Basically, that was very simple for picking or seeing here the pick lists. So it is going to help you organize the orders only on one place. So you are going to have here the quantity of here multiple products set up only on one, let's say here, a specific order. Here I'm going to show you the alternatives of this app that you can find for free. We have a picking list wizard. It is going to be a completely for free, as you can see here. So we are going to get here the same thing here. So we are going to have the picking lists right there. We have the Bodega Cat. So this is the price of it. It is going to be free, as you can see. Also, we are going to have here the same amount of experience, as you can see. And finally, we have iPacky, which is not going to be completely free, but it is going to have a free plan available. So in case you have here some issues or you do not want to use the paid apps. Basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.